Both of these smartphones are at the same price segment, with the Redmi Note 12 being priced around 117,000 naira and the Tecno Spark 10 Pro being priced around 105,000 naira. Both of these smartphones are pretty nice and they are the best budget midday smartphones you can get in the market right now. Actually, they kind of have little similarities in most of their key specs and also differences you are going to be setting out here in this video. But the question is, which can offer the best value for money? Well, we will find out. So without wasting much of your time, let's vibe on. What's up guys, it's Flood here. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing the Redmi Note 12 and the Tecno Spark 10 Pro. Yeah, so if it's the first time checking out the channel, you're welcome. We are actually chasing 1000 subscribers and we are at 500 plus subscribers. Please do support our channel by subscribing and also do like this video so that YouTube algorithm will recommend this video to more viewers. So now let's start off with the design and build quality of both devices. Actually, the Redmi Note 12 is made up with premium plastic on the rear and frame that gives it a matte finish, while the Tecno Spark 10 Pro has a plastic frame and glass back that gives it a matte finish also. Obviously, you can't see any mid-range smartphone at this price point that comes with a glass back. Quote me anywhere, and that's what makes the Tecno Spark 10 Pro feel more premium at this point. So both smartphones' design are pretty cool and appealing. The Tecno Spark 10 Pro has this iPhone vibe. At your first glance, you can mistake it for an iPhone. Without that being said, both smartphones' design are pretty cool and innovative. Moving on to the display, the Redmi Note 12 has a pretty much better display than the Tecno Spark 10 Pro. Yeah, it is an AMOLED 6.67-inch display, 120 Hz of high refresh rate with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. On the other hand, the Tecno Spark 10 Pro features 6.8-inch IPS LCD panel, 90 Hz of high refresh rate with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels. So you should get a more vibrant and vivid image on screen while viewing content on the Redmi Note 12. Usually you can't compare an AMOLED display to an IPS LCD panel. If I am to go for a better display, I will go for the Redmi Note 12. In terms of performance, the Redmi Note 12 and the Tecno Spark 10 Pro are pretty solid when it comes to performance. The Redmi Note 12 is powered with the Snapdragon 685 system of chip, while the Tecno Spark 10 Pro on the other hand powers the MediaTek Helio G88 octa-core processor. So probably you should get a more optimized performance on the Redmi Note 12 since it is a 6nm built-on process. But yeah, like I said earlier, both smartphones are solid devices for gaming. So you can play intensive graphic games on both devices without having any glitch or any sort of lag while scrolling on apps or navigating on sites. For the software part, you are actually getting Android 13 OS version from both devices as from the port, with the Redmi Note 12 being based on MIUI 14 and the Tecno Spark 10 Pro being based on iOS 12.6. Their software customization are nice and they do come with bloatwares and ads, but yeah, you can easily disable them on the Tecno device. You might actually get 1 year of software update on the Redmi Note 12. But for the Tecno Spark 10 Pro, I don't really know why Tecno doesn't give out software updates. But yeah, the Tecno Spark 10 Pro still have the latest OS version. Now let's talk about the camera aspect. Both devices comes with triple camera bomb setup on the rear. The Redmi Note 12 features 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens, 2 megapixel micro lens, and a selfie camera of 13 megapixel. On the other hand, the Tecno Spark 10 Pro features 50 megapixel main camera with QVGA lenses and a selfie camera of 32 megapixel. For the price point, I will go for the Redmi Note 12 camera. That is because it comes with an ultra-wide and micro lens for better camera experience. In terms of storage, both devices got you covered. The Redmi Note 12 comes with 4GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage, while the Tecno Spark 10 Pro comes with 8GB RAM that can be expanded to 60GB through memory fusion and 128GB of internal storage. Both devices comes with a micro SD card slot for further memory expansion, though I didn't see any reason for that since you have large internal memory storage to store all your files. Both smartphones adapt to a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and also the power same large battery capacity. The Redmi Note 12 has a decent battery life of 5000 mAh that supports 33 watts fast charge. On the other hand, the Tecno Spark 10 Pro has a decent battery life of 5000 mAh that supports 18 watts charge. Certainly, the 5000 mAh battery of both devices can last you for a whole day on a single charge. So which one is the better value for money? Well, it depends on your requirements. If you are looking for a phone with a better camera, better display, well optimized performance and fast charging speed, then the Redmi Note 12 might be a better option. On the other hand, if you want a phone with a more pretty design, wider display and clear selfie camera, then the Tecno Spark 10 Pro might be a better choice. That's all for the comparison between the Redmi Note 12 and the Tecno Spark 10 Pro. If you have any question or comment, please do leave them down below the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe and also turn on the notification bell to always get notified whenever I post a new video on the channel. Thanks for watching and see you all on my next video. Peace.